Well, it's going to be a quick one from me. I've had to re-record this because I have a big monitor and studio wasn't in frame. So, yeah. Basically, the DRS banking API is going to become, not public, but we're going to publish it separately. So if you have your ATMs, just make sure that you don't have two installations of the API because one will overwrite the other. But we're going to start bringing support for the EFT readers to use the API. So that also includes refunds as well. So because we've got the banking API here. It does say you need ATMs in your game, but you don't. You can ignore that. This also applies to the hotel POS as well, hence why hotel POS users can see this channel. You can see use DRS banking API. Fucking studio. Yeah, so obviously the ATMs V2 come with it at the moment, but we're going to include it separately because obviously hotel POS users do not own the ATM. In terms of the settings, you've just got infinite balance, which means if someone pays for something, it doesn't deduct their balance. You've got regen balance, which I recommend you leave on unless you want to use your own system. So basically it means once someone runs out, the machine will go beep, beep, whatever, card declined, but then it will refill their balance again. So it means you don't have to have a system or something, it will just do it on its own. You've got starting balance here. So this is how much money players get when they either regen or they start out. So you can change this to either a random number or you can just put whatever you want in it. Also, that should say return, but I forgot to put that bit. Yeah. So if you want it to be 5, you can just do 5, or maybe £500, or maybe 5,000, or £50,000. You can do whatever you want on that. This is the little script here. It moves it into script service, but you most times don't have to worry about that. And this is all code. It's all open source. So if you're a scripter and you want to do something like Blotzco, so they've got a leaderboard and it has like all the players' currency on it, you can do that. You can do what you want with this. Obviously, if you don't want to use it, you don't have to use it. You do need it. The ATMs need it, unfortunately, but it's like if the EFT readers, for example, if you don't want to bother with this update as of such, you don't have to, because all you need to do is make sure that that is set to false on the banking API and you're fine. But yeah, you can insert, I will leave a file for the API in obviously the channel. You can use it. However, it won't work on the readers yet. You'll have to wait for an announcement. Obviously, if you're watching this video by the time it is out, there will be a message underneath saying that this does work. But yeah, thanks guys. Hope you enjoy this one.